Chapter 17 Active and Passive Voice. You know that every sentence has a subject, a verb, and an object. A subject is an agent who performs the verb on the object. Let's understand this with the help of an example. Sanjana plays basketball. Sanjana is the subject, plays is the verb, and basketball is the object. Basketball is played by Sanjana. Basketball is the object, is played is the verb, and Sanjana is the subject. In both the above sentences, the meanings remain the same and only the structure is what that changes. Usually, the structure or sequence of the subject, verb, and object expressed in the active voice sentence gets reversed in the passive voice of the same sentence. Active voice. When a subject is directly acting on the object, the sentence is written in active voice. Passive voice. When the object is acted upon by the subject, the sentence is written in passive voice. Rules for conversion of active and passive voice. The rule for conversion from active voice to passive voice is as follows. Rule 1. First and foremost, identify the subject, verb, and object. Subject plus verb plus object in the sentence to convert to passive voice. Rule 2. Then interchange the object and subject with each other. That is, the object of the active sentence becomes the subject of the passive sentence. Rule 3. Change the base verb in the active sentence into the past participle, third form of the verb in a passive sentence. Rule 4. The word by will be used before the subject in passive voice. Rule 5. The pronoun in the sentence will also be changed. Active voice pronoun, passive voice pronoun. I, me, we, us, he, him, she, her, they, them, you. Rule 6. While conversion, use suitable auxiliary verbs. Active and passive voice in tense form. The passive voice is formed with the suitable tense of the verb followed by the past participle. Study the table given below. Tense. Active voice. Passive voice. Example. Simple present. Active voice. Subject plus verb plus object. Passive voice. Object plus is, am, are plus verb third form plus by subject. Example. Active. I eat mangoes. Passive. Mangoes are eaten by me. Tense. Present continuous tense. Active voice. Subject plus is, am, are plus verb plus ing plus object. Passive voice. Object plus is, am, are plus being plus verb third form plus by subject. Examples. Active. Ramesh is calling Neena. Passive. Neena is being called by Ramesh. Tense. Present perfect tense. Active voice. Subject. Have, has plus verb third form plus object. Passive voice. Object plus has, have plus been plus verb third form plus by subject. Examples. Active. I have made some cakes. Passive. Some cakes have been made by me. Tense. Simple past tense. Active voice. Subject plus verb past tense plus object. Passive voice. Object plus was, were plus verb third form plus by subject. Examples. Active. Preeti stole my clothes. Passive. My clothes were stolen by Preeti. Tense. Past continuous tense. Active voice. Subject plus was were plus verb plus ing plus object. Passive voice. Object plus was were plus being plus verb third form plus by subject. Examples. Active. The postman was delivering the letters. Passive. The letters were being delivered by the postman. Tense. Past perfect tense. Active voice. Subject plus had plus verb third form plus object. Passive voice. Object plus had been plus verb third form plus by subject. Examples. Active. The girls had eaten all the muffins. Passive. All the muffins had been eaten by girls. Tense. Simple future tense. Active voice. Subject plus shall, will plus verb first form plus object. Passive voice. Object plus shall will plus be plus verb third form plus by subject. Examples. Active. We shall finish the whole work by 6 p.m. Passive. The whole work will be finished by us by 6 p.m. Tense. Future perfect tense. Active voice. Subject plus shall, will plus have plus verb third form plus object. Passive voice. Object plus shall will plus have been plus verb third form plus by subject. Examples. Active. They will have won the football match. Passive. The football match will have been won by them. An exception to the rule. No passive voice formation for the tenses. These are present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense, and future continuous tense.